Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is all about how to stay focused on your goals. We all have aspirations and things that we want to achieve, but it can be easy to get sidetracked or lose motivation along the way. So, in this video, I'll be sharing some practical tips and strategies to help you stay on track and reach your goals. Tip number 1, clarify your goals. Clarifying your goals is a crucial step in staying focused and reaching success. By taking the time to articulate your goals in detail, you gain a clear understanding of what you want to achieve and why it's important to you. This clarity of purpose helps you stay motivated and focused on your objectives, reducing the likelihood of getting sidetracked or losing motivation. By knowing exactly what you want to accomplish, you can prioritize your time and effort to make consistent progress towards your goals. Additionally, by having a clear picture of what success looks like, you are able to measure your progress and make necessary adjustments to stay on track. Overall, clarifying your goals is a key component of staying focused and reaching success. Tip number 2, break down your goals into manageable steps. Breaking down your goals into manageable steps is a key strategy for staying focused on your objectives. This approach helps you see progress along the way and gives you a sense of accomplishment as you complete each step. By breaking down large goals into smaller, more manageable tasks, you avoid feeling overwhelmed by the big picture and can stay motivated and focused. Additionally, breaking down your goals into steps allows you to prioritize your time and effort more effectively, making it easier to stay on track and make consistent progress towards your goals. Moreover, by focusing on each step, you are able to maintain a clear focus on the end goal while still making progress in smaller increments. In short, breaking down your goals into manageable steps is a crucial strategy for staying focused and reaching success. Tip number 3, create a plan of action. Creating a plan of action is an important step in staying focused on your goals. Having a clear plan helps you prioritize your time and effort, stay organized, and make consistent progress towards your objectives. A plan of action should include the steps you need to take to reach your goals, a timeline for completion, and any resources you may need along the way. By having a plan in place, you have a roadmap to follow and can avoid getting sidetracked or losing motivation. Additionally, by breaking down your plan into smaller, manageable tasks, you can focus on taking one step at a time, making it easier to stay focused and motivated. Furthermore, having a plan of action allows you to track your progress and make necessary adjustments to stay on track. Overall, creating a plan of action is a key strategy for staying focused and reaching success. Tip number 4, eliminate distractions. Eliminating distractions is a crucial strategy for staying focused on your goals. Distractions come in many forms and can disrupt your focus, reducing your productivity and making it harder to reach your objectives. To eliminate distractions, you need to identify what's taking your attention away from your goals and find ways to reduce or eliminate those distractions. This may involve turning off your phone, closing email or social media notifications, or working in a quiet environment. Additionally, you may need to set boundaries with others, such as avoiding interruptions during focused work periods or saying no to non-essential commitments. By reducing distractions, you are able to maintain your focus, increase your productivity, and stay motivated towards reaching your goals. Eliminating distractions is a key strategy for staying focused and reaching success. Tip number 5, stay accountable. Staying accountable is a crucial strategy for staying focused on your goals. When you have someone to hold you accountable, you are more likely to follow through on your plans and reach your objectives. This can be done through enlisting the help of a trusted friend, mentor, or coach, or by joining a support group of like-minded individuals who are working towards similar goals. Regular check-ins with your accountability partner can help keep you on track and provide motivation when you need it. Additionally, setting specific and measurable goals, tracking your progress, and celebrating your accomplishments can help you stay accountable and focused on your objectives. Staying accountable helps increase your motivation, keep you on track, and ultimately helps you reach your goals. Conclusion. In conclusion, staying focused on your goals is an essential part of achieving success. By clarifying your goals, breaking them down into manageable steps, creating a plan of action, eliminating distractions, and staying accountable, you can stay motivated and on track towards reaching your aspirations. Remember, success takes time and dedication, but with a clear plan and a commitment to focus, you'll be well on your way to achieving your dreams. Stay focused, stay positive, and stay determined. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and share with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.